improving last half an hour or so. The Dow Industrial is now expected to open up about 60 points. NASDAQ and S&P 500 also higher today. I want to get final thoughts right now from Todd Horwitz. And Todd, markets coming off of that huge sell-off. Even though we're looking at a higher opening today, you have to believe we are not out of this volatility and out of this tough market trading.
I don't think so at all. I think really what we're seeing here is more of a dead cat bounce. I mean, I wrote early this morning that look for a bounce in the market. I'm looking as a trader. Right. I'm looking for an opportunity to sell. I think we're going to get a fairly substantial rally here. You know, maybe S&P back to 1910, 1920.
And you want to sell into it?
I want to sell into it. But I also want to say that, you know, investors try not to be so emotional about what's going on in the market because, you know, the day-to-day action is not always important if you're investing in the market. I think you just have to be more careful looking for a hedging strategy to protect yourself. But overall, the markets here, we're very weak. And I think we're going substantially lower. I would see another 18 to 20% lower.
Wow, 18 to 20% by year end?
Not by year end. I mean, by year end, I'm looking
over next year?
Yeah.
Dagan, consumer confidence out at 8:30 a.m. this morning.
I hope it's awesome, but there's no confidence in biotechnology stocks. You are seeing the heat and political pressure. You have Democrats on one House committee wanting to subpoena Valiant over the price of 2 heart drugs. Watch that. This is going to be a hot issue and hard on all of these healthcare stocks and drug stocks for the next more than a year.
And biotechs have been that hot group that is so volatile. So this is only going to add to it.
Right. Expensive stocks, and that's one catalyst, politicians.
Todd Horwitz, good to see you this morning. Thank you so much, Dagan. We'll see you next hour. Thank you so much. House Majority